Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to enable private Wi-Fi address on your iPhone and explain why it's one of the easiest ways to improve your privacy when connecting to Wi-Fi networks. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Once that's done, open the Settings app and tap Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi network you're currently connected to. Then tap the information icon next to its name. Scroll down until you see private Wi-Fi address, then tap on it. You'll notice 3 different options. The first option is off. If you choose this, your iPhone will use its original hardware, MAC address, whenever it connects to that Wi-Fi network. This makes it easier for networks to recognize and track your device over time. So it's the least private option. The second option is fixed. With this setting, your iPhone creates a random MAC address for that specific Wi-Fi network and keeps using the same random address every time you reconnect. This offers good privacy while maintaining a stable connection for trusted networks. The third option is rotating. This is the most private choice because your iPhone periodically changes the random MAC address automatically, making it much harder for networks or trackers to identify your device across multiple visits. For most public Wi-Fi networks, this is the recommended setting. That's all there is to it. By enabling a private Wi-Fi address, your real device identity stays hidden, giving you better privacy and extra protection whenever you connect to Wi-Fi, especially on public networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.